feel like when they participate in our programs, visit our parks, that's part of living a healthy lifestyle. But of course, the outdoor fitness area was wanting to go beyond just that. This is a more targeted approach, if you will. We really wanted to take the next step. What's the next step? We wanted to be kind of innovative and kind of progressive, if you will, on trying to show the public, hey, we want to give, with this outdoor fitness, some major parts were key to it, and that was, it first had to be free, right? Anybody can use it, or we don't want cost to be a barrier. The second thing is actually the surfacing itself. It's what we call a pour and play type of surface. It's got a little sponginess to it, if you will. So that allows for handicap accessibility or limited mobility to come in and use the machinery. And we're excited because we feel like it's going to make a significant impact in our community's ability to have fitness. A portion of it that's probably the most unique is the sheer size of it. This is not the only outdoor fitness in the United States or in the world, okay? With that said, what makes it unique is when we put this one together, I really wanted to make sure that it was, in essence, an outdoor fitness area. Boom, that's where it is. If they can come right here and they get every machine in front of them, it's their choice whether they do it or not, but at least I've eliminated the opportunity to not be able to find the machine. So that was a big part of it for us, is that. The other thing is the particular equipment we put there. It's a targeted thing. We actually had numerous types of proposals, but we wanted to go with something that we thought was, what I'll say is, legitimate type of equipment, things that are really, you would go into an indoor fitness thing and kind of find either exactly or very similar to the same type of machines, and that was important to us as well. We have a lot of support from our citizens. Our citizens have high expectations for Bowling Green Parks and Rec. And so yeah, we're going to have to continue to strive to meet those high expectations, and that gives us the impetus, if you will, to be creative, because the citizens should not or never are going to be satisfied with the status quo. So status quo now is here, status quo next year, so, there's always an opportunity for us to increase. And also the Board of Commissioners, the Mayor Board of Commissioners, and the City Administration have always been extremely supportive, because it's a two-way street. The citizens have expectations, the Board of Commissioners try to meet those expectations through Bowling Green Parks and Rec.